In the energy quadrant, taking a look at the May natural gas futures contract, which had a very strong rally up 2.56% on the highs, finishing the day up just short of 2%. 2.685 was the high print today. 2.583 was the low. That was actually down 1.33%. So the move up is actually more impressive than it sounds when you just look at the change on the day at settlement or the change on the day on the high. We're now up 6 of the last 7 sessions, and we've got a technical pattern called a double bottom forming, not triggered yet, so it doesn't imply any price yet, but it takes us up over 5.5% this week so far. That's today's move that takes us there. That's the best weekly performance since February 1st, so a pretty strong move in the short term for natural gas. Today's EIA report came out with a weekly natural gas storage build of 61 billion cubic feet, smaller than market expectations of 64 to 68, but large enough to flip the deficit to a surplus. We now have 11 billion cubic feet in surplus, according to the EIA, and 1.845 trillion cubic feet in supplies, ready for the excess demand, which looks likely to come. Weather demand should be increasing from moderate to high in the next 7 to 10 days. We've got several colder than normal weather systems ready to hit the U.S. over the next week, and that includes rain, snow, and lows from the 20s to the 40s, which should spark a little extra demand. It's going to be the coldest over the Rockies, the Midwest, and the interior Northeast. The southern U.S. is also going to see intermittent rain, but still comfortable temperatures from the 60s to the 80s over the next 7 days or so. The West Coast is going to show these same temperatures as the southern U.S., but it's going to be the warmest and driest region of the U.S. So enough to spark demand in that cold front with steady demand in the warm parts of the country. Probably going to keep prices right around here, all else equal, but you could see a little boost in demand, and the supplies right now look kind of fragile.